So where are we right now?
We are back to the caveman time.
What?
Let's enter our house. This is the entrance. And this is where we can sleep. We're next to a creek. That's our water source. Isn't that cool?
That's great.
Let's go to the water.
So, what is this?
This is fireplace. Is it?
You're the tour guide.
How do you call
You're
it?
the historian.
Let's start making fire, okay?
You want to burn down the forest?
Let's start making fire.
You want to burn down the forest?
This is how you make fire?
That's great.
No, you make fire like this, right? Is this how you make fire?
Yes, you're doing it.
Let's go to the water.
Okay, let's go.
You have to videotape the entrance.
I did already. Where are we now?
We are at the Rocky Creek. Let's go down. Woo! There's a bee.
How does it feel down there?
Feels great. I'm gonna feel the water. Ooh! It's hard to detect it. Oh, this water is so warm.
That's really good water slapping. Where did you learn how to do that?
It's my nature instinct.
Mm.
When I see water, I have to do this.
Hey, what? Yo, not at me. Good job. That's amazing.
So nice from here. Looking up. So we're gonna peel our corns. Ooh, it's so done.
Barbecue corn.
Barbecue corn. That's correct. Ooh. Ooh. Let's hope that.
This is the barbecue corn unboxing.
Oh my god, look.
Is it cold?
No, there's so much heat.
Really?
See?
Okay.
You feel the steam?
Yeah, I can see it.
See
Yeah.
the steam?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Ooh. So exciting. Are you excited?
Oh wow, it's really steaming.
Damn! It's so done!
Wow, that looks really good.
It looks really good. Let's put it here. It looks so good, honey.
Yeah.
It's still kind of hot, so we have to eat like this, okay?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it done? No, this side's not done yet.
That's not.
Yeah. You think it's done? Let's try it. Oh, actually, I think it's kind of done.
It's good. All
It's
right.
done.
Let's eat it. Here, let's do a 360. Oh, the steam's coming off of that. Look at that.
Oh my god, this is crazy, honey.
All right, we did good. There's the fire. Yeah.
Okay, then we should move that corn to the side. Ooh,
Oi yo.
you ready? You ready? Because I have to pull.
Oh, I thought you were just gonna try and walk across.
We have a little fall here. So cool. Have to be careful.